How to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnit, and today I'll guide you on how you can send pictures from your camera roll or pictures on your gallery as a normal snap on Snapchat. Well, the process is quite simple, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is you can open up your Snapchat, right? You'll get an interface somewhat like this. What you want to do is you want to head into the lens section at the bottom of your screen. You can see there the map option, and you can see chats option, and at the middle you can see their lens option, right? You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, what you want to do is you want to search in at the search bar for camera roll here. Just search in camera and you can see various options here that you'll find camera roll. You want to select one of them. Once you select one of them, it'll give you an option to choose a picture from your device, right? You want to choose a picture that you wish to send as a snap, and you want to tap on this record option that you can see. You want to tap on it and you can see it's recording. Now once you move it, you can see it'll be selected. Now you can edit it if you want. You can add filters if you want, like a normal snap. What you can do is tap on next option at the screen and you can send it. You can send it to your friends right here. Now once you send it, I'll show you. I have sent a snap right now. If I open up chat and if I head into a particular text here, you can see the snap that I just sent has been sent as a normal snap, the picture that I sent from my camera roll. So this way you can send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.